When it comes to summer fragrances, guys, most fragrances are more lighter, more fresher, more airier, and they don't last long as a result, even though they smell amazing. And so recently I got some inspiration just to check out what could be a potential way to make my summer fragrances last longer or to enhance their smell. And I found something that's really cool that can do both of those things. So stay tuned. What's up, you guys? My name is Justin and welcome to my channel, 502 Fragrance Reviews. For those of y'all that are watching this video that are return subscribers, thank you so much for watching all the videos and support. And if you're new watching this video, if at any point you find what I'm sharing with you informative or entertaining, hit the subscribe button below because I got a lot of great content planned for this channel. And so for today's video, it's something that I think is super cool. I've had this planned for a few weeks now and I'm finally getting to it. No other YouTubers talked about this and I don't think anyone ever would until me. I want to talk to you guys about how Bath & Body Works body lotions and body creams is a really effective way to enhance your summer fragrances. Now, typically when it comes to like using lotions or creams to enhance fragrances, typically men don't look at that too much. More so women does, because when they go into department stores, a lot of women's fragrances, they come in gift sets with a matching lotion or body cream. With the men's fragrances, they don't do that in the gift sets. They come with like shower gels like that or aftershave type bombs. So generally, men are not used to using lotions or body creams to go with their fragrances. But I want to talk to you guys about in depth about how I've been making my summer fragrances be much more better by using Bath & Body Works body creams. And I like the creams more than the lotions. But I want to give you guys different examples of how I did different layering combinations with different fragrances. And now, let's see here. Let's go. I'm going to go start with the first one. The first type of body cream that I want to talk to you guys about is one that I showed it on my Instagram on a post one day. My Instagram is in the bottom right here for those of y'all, one of these here, if you want to follow my Instagram. But this one from Bath & Body Works is White Citrus. This one right here. And by the name White Citrus, you can tell that this is a very citrusy, fresh body cream with notes of, it's got notes on the back. This has got lemon zest, sparkling grapefruit, ginger, freesia petals, and clean woods. This one right here, guys, would be, or ladies too, if there's any ladies watching this video, would be a really nice choice to layer with your citrusy, fresh fragrances. Fragrances got a lot of citrus in it. To give you guys, or ladies as well, some examples of how I use this one right here. Recently, I wore John Bravado's Artisan Pure, and I layered it with this white citrus body cream from Bath & Body Works. If I can show a picture right here from my Instagram or something, I may show it if it's there. But this right here layered together was a very magical combination. And the way I do things when it comes to layering, I'll put on the body cream, of course, first, and I'll put it on my arms, around my neck. And if I'm wearing shorts, of course, I'll put it on my legs too, because I don't want to walk around being all ashy. But I'll put this on first, and then I will spray this over. This is a very nice Artisan Pure. If you don't know, it's a very nice orangey fragrance with notes of petitgrain, like a bitter green quality, tangerine, mandarin in here as well. It's very orangey, very citrusy, very fresh. So if you match a citrusy body cream with it, of course it's going to work very well. Now, even though when it comes to this and this are not like in a gift set together, like these are two separate things, the notes that's in both of these complement each other, even though this is not made for this. The notes complement each other though. And another thing is, to give you some more examples with White Citrus, I could use this with Guerlain's L'Homme Ideal Cologne. A very prominent grapefruit in here. There's a prominent grapefruit in here, in addition to the lemon zest. Like, they're very, very well together when it comes to a citrusy type of feel. I could use Gallagher Fragrances Bergamot, a citrusy, ozonic, sea salty marine fragrance. And I could use it with this. Enhance the citrus out of it, in addition to the marine quality that's in here. What's next? Terre d'Hermes Eau Très Fraîche, a very nice orange smelling fragrance, very authentic orange. But say I want to add some more citrus quality to it, like some more grapefruits and lemon, I could add it to this. I could layer these two together. Versace's Man O' Fresh, another one. Very nice star fruit, lemon type of fragrance, very kind of aquatic. These would layer together just fine. So this is the first first body cream I want to tell you guys about is white citrus. This can be used with any of your citrusy fresh fragrances. The next body cream I want to talk to y'all about is Freshwater. This one right here has a nice, almost springy summer feel to it. It has a prominence, has some notes of bergamot, oak moss, and spring water. And this one could also be used with your citrusy fragrances, but I feel like this one will be really good with a fresher fragrance that has a classiness to it, because the oak moss in here gives it, to me, a nice classy type of sophistication to it, even though it's a body cream. And I could use this with something like this, Acqua di Gio Perfume by Armani. And even the cologne version of this, the Freshwater cologne, it definitely does smell similar to Acqua di Gio. It does. So like, what can you do? But these two right here will work really good together. This has aromatic notes of rosemary, geranium in here to like give it a little bit of sophistication in addition to the marine fresh quality of the Acqua di Gio DNA. So with this, you could add, you know, a little bit more freshness with some bergamot in here. But I like the note, the use of the oak moss in here with the spring water in addition to Acqua di Gio Profumo. It just, this already lasts long to begin with, so this right here doesn't need anything extra. But I'm greedy, I'm not gonna lie. I love my fragrances to last a long time when I want it to. But this two right here, this combination right here is a very nice combination. So when it comes to more of a sophisticated type of fresh fragrance, go with Freshwater by Bath & Body Works, the body cream, because I think this right here, this cream can layer really good with something like, as you saw, Acqua di Gio Profumo. I'm telling you guys, I really enjoy this type of video. It's super unique, and we're gonna get more creative and more fun. The next body cream I wanna talk to y'all about is Cucumber Melon. This one right here, a very nice fruity fragrance, fruity body cream. So you know I'm gonna be going there with this. This has notes of cucumber, honeydew melon. Also you got crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods. This one is a nice fruity fragrance. So you know what I'm gonna match this body cream with? Fruity fragrances. For example, one of my favorite summer fragrances, Gallagher Fragrances Amongst Waves, which is really known for the honeydew melon in here, the honeydew melon and the apple. I layer this with cucumber melon, and boy, this is a killer combination. When I put this on in addition to this, it just, ooh, I'm radiating. Like it's really that good. It enhances it that much, and I smell myself for a long time layering these two. So if you got any type of fruity fragrances, just to give you another example, Nautica Voyage right here. This does not have cucumber in it, but to me it comes across like cucumbers, but it does have green apple in here. Green apple and some like green notes in here, like green leaves. I have tried this together, cucumber melon with this. This also works really well together, man. So when it comes to like your fruity fragrances, and I got another one here I'm planning on showing you in a second, but fruity fragrances, cucumber melon, just go to your Bath & Body Works. It's not feminine. I promise you, it's not feminine. Try cucumber melon body. That's something I can't stress to you guys enough. Just because you go into Bath & Body Works and you see all this stuff, I promise you, it's not. All of it is not feminine. There's a good amount that is, but don't think that everything in there is feminine and you can't try it out. The next one I want to tell you guys about, the next body cream, is actually in the men's collection, so you can definitely, want to get it. This is Atlantic body cream. This one right here, I would pair with any type of marine fragrance you have. This has notes of coastal citrus, sea mist, and clean woods. And admittedly enough, this does actually smell similar to Invictus Aqua. I'm not gonna lie to you, it does. Like the actual fragrance, this smells similar to Invictus Aqua, but who cares? This right here, just to give you some examples. Bulgari's Aqua Atlantique, Sea Salty Marine. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense, Sea Salty Marine. I have layered these two with Atlantic Body Cream, guys. Really, really good. Really, really good combination. I love my Sea Salty Marine fragrances in the summertime, and some last a good while, some don't. But regardless, I can enhance either one of those types with Atlantic Body Cream. It truly does enhance that sea salty marine like fragrance. So if you got any type of marine fragrance, pair it with Atlantic Body Cream by Bath & Body Works, and you will see the magic and how it works, and it enhances your overall scent. And to be honest with you guys, this is not me trying to hype up Bath & Body Works. This isn't me being sponsored by them, but I will say this: in my short time of using these creams with the fragrances to enhance it, even though people are still going around with masks because of coronavirus, I have noticed since using the creams, I have gotten more compliments. But that to me tells me that it enhances the smell. It makes it project more. Your mileage may vary, but still, that's my experience so far. So the next body cream I want to tell you guys about is Sea Island Cotton. This one right here is a very nice, crisp, clean laundry-like scent. And this has notes of crisp white cotton, clean linen, fresh orange blossom, blue freesia, and ocean musk. And I do have a fragrance in my collection right here actually that I have layered with this, and man, it worked really well. And that's Dunhill Century. This one right here. This one to me, like how Sebastian from Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews said, this to me is a crisp, laundry clean type of fresh fragrance. It's a very fresh, choppy sandalwood scent, but it comes across like fresh laundry. So I've paired it with this, and to be honest, I think this scent is okay. Like, your more fresh and clean fragrances honestly bore me, because as a human, you should have good hygiene. You should already smell fresh and clean. So a fragrance that does that doesn't do it much for me. But this layered together, this has like a little bit of a sweet quality in it from the orange blossom. That added sweetness in here, it's good. This layered together is good. It's fresh and clean for sure, but it definitely gives you a more added projection to it with a little bit of sweetness from the orange blossom that's in here, whereas you got Neroli that's in here, more citrusy. But a little bit of sweetness from here paired with this, it is an excellent combination. So with more of your fresh and clean fragrances, think Dunhill Century, think Burberry Touch, think Prada L'Homme. Go ahead and match it with Sea Island Cotton from Bath & Body Works, the body cream, and watch and see how it works really well for you. And this last combination, it's fire. It's flames, guys. I want to tell you about this last one right here. The body cream I want to mention to you guys is Coconut Lime Breeze. So this one right here, obviously this is a tropical fragrance. Coconut, lime, beachy. Got notes of let me see. This has got notes of coconut, lime blossom, and bergamot. Very, very, very nice tropical scent. This could be layered with your tropical fragrances. But here's the thing though, guys. Real quick, I've given you examples of what goes with what, but you can mix and match this however you like. John Barbato's Artisan Pure, which is really citrusy. If you want to add a tropical feel to it, just use the Coconut Lime Breeze body cream. These, like right here, the citrusy components and the tropical components, of course they're going to work really well together. There's no tropical type of feel in this to me, but you could add a tropical vibe in this with this. And speaking of that, even though I don't have many tropical fragrances, or not any tropical fragrances sadly, I did add this to another fragrance, and this was one of those flames, guys. Creed Aventus. This to me is already good by itself, of course, but one day when I went into work, I was like, you know what? I want to be adventurous. I want to add a tropical vibe to this. So I picked out this from my closet. Coconut Lime Breeze. I added this to give a tropical vibe to Aventus. So you got the coconut, the lime, the pineapple, the apple. Guys, this was fire. This combination was fire. And that's just another example of how you can like mix and match stuff. How you just gotta have a little bit of knowledge on knowing, okay, will this pair well with this? Will this pair well with this? And you will see it'll enhance it by time. But if you got any tropical fragrances, maybe think Creed's Virgin Island Water. It's a really popular tropical one. Layer it with Coconut Lime Breeze, and you will see how amazing this is. That's all I really got for you guys today. I just want to let you know about the magic of Bath & Body Works body creams. I did purchase 2 more recently as well. This is Raspberry Tangerine. I haven't used this yet, but this has got notes of raspberry, tangerine, and lemon zest. And the raspberry is very prominent in here, guys. Very, very fruity smell. Fruity, citrusy. A lot of raspberry. I could use this with some other fragrances I've showed y'all to give it like a nice fruity touch. And this is right here is the newest one in the men's collection. This is Amber. This has got notes of orange, bitters, sandalwood, and amber musk. This creamy orange sandalwood combo, it's good. I can't wait to use this as well, but just to let you guys know, Bath & Body Works body creams is very, very good. Try it out. I promise you, it's not gonna give you an overly feminine smell. For those of y'all that are into fragrances like I am, we all know that fragrances are unisex. It's just a matter of, does a fragrance come across unisex to you, masculine, or feminine? There are some fragrances out there that comes across feminine that I won't wear because it's overly feminine to me. But there are some that is a little bit feminine that I will still wear. So it does not matter that this stuff is in Bath & Body Works. I promise you, if you try it, you will see that it will enhance your summer fragrances. It's a very nice way to make your fragrances last longer and just enhance the overall smell. Maybe even give it a unique vibe. Maybe even go with Artisan Pure by John Barbados. Maybe mix it with Raspberry Tangerine. Give it a little bit of a fruity vibe in addition to the citrus. I'm telling you, it's a really cool concept that I'm just obsessed with now. So let me guys know in the comment section below, have y'all tried Bath & Body Works body creams? I doubt you have. I doubt it. But let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to talk to y'all in the comment section. And let me know what are some good combinations that I've showed you guys, like some different ones, body creams I've showed you that would mix well with the fragrances already in your collection. Gotta get you guys thinking on trying some new things. That's all I got for you guys today, man. Hope y'all have a nice day, nice evening. Till next time.